So hello and welcome to another SAP short video. So today we'll take a look at an interesting transaction code from an FI perspective, that is FBKP. Now this might sound like something that's only relevant for the FI module folks, but not really, because FI is something that is integrated with most of the modules. So whether you are from the sales and distribution or from the purchasing or any other background, a lot of times, in most cases, you will have certain integration with FI, and you may be facing certain challenges on some documents which are not posted correctly. So if you want to just come and do some analysis of your own, then this is a transaction which can help you, maybe as a starting point. Of course, in some complex cases you might still require help from the FI people, but this is something that can help you give a better view of what happens in the background. So for example, document types, you can certainly come and see here what are the different FI document types that you are able to see in transaction FB03 typically. So if you see here, you see the customer invoice, you see here the vendor invoice. So whenever billing documents or invoices are created, these are the document types that are typically used. If you further drill down, you will be able to see what is the number range assigned and what are the other criteria and characteristics that are attached to an invoice. It may or may not make direct sense to you, but sometimes when you are analyzing, the message might point out to a very specific characterization, and which you can come and check from this. So another item that you can check is what is the fiscal year variant that is assigned. Now typically this is assigned at the company code level, so you will be able to see this value in the T001 table. We'll also take a quick look at it. So here it tells you what fiscal year variant is a calendar year, which ones are not a calendar year. So here you can see that this is a July to June fiscal year variant, so it is of course not a calendar year. You will see what is the number of posting periods, how many special periods, etc. Another item that can be useful is the field status variant or field status variant group. So some of the issues that we have faced is when the FI document is posted in the background, there are some errors like the partner profit center or the profit center is not filled or something like that. So you may need to go and find out if that field is even allowed entry or is it a suppressed field. So then maybe it requires a change at this level, at the field status group level. Obviously this is something that can only be decided by the FI person, because there might be an issue with the transaction itself where it should not be asking you that field, but it is. But yeah, I think this gives you a good snapshot, and if you want to see the table and values, you will be able to see here that at the company code level you have the fiscal year variant and field status variant, etc. assigned. Okay, so hope this adds some value to you and is of